My name is Aiko and I'm from Taiwan, so today we're going to cook the Taiwanese beef noodle soup. There's garlic, onion, carrots, green onion, and beef. In the very beginning, we have to clean all the ingredients and then we chop everything into smaller pieces. We chop the garlic, the green onions, and onions. I think for preparation is 30 minutes and then maybe another 45 minutes for the beef to stew. Yeah, we went grocery shopping in an Asian market, but actually you can get everything from the American grocery store. We also need to dice the carrots. Slice the beef into smaller chunks and try to make them even so that they can cook evenly. So the next step, we actually stir fry. Once you started to smell the green onion, and garlic, you will put in the beef and then stir fry them a little bit as well. After they started to generate the juice, when you see there's a lot of soup coming out, then that's the time you can start to add the seasonings. Today we add water, soy sauce, sugar, and bean paste. I think that's pretty much it. For providing more flavor, we put both the chili bean paste and also the one without any spice in it. After you add those seasonings, we will add more water to cover all the ingredients and then bring to boil. And after it started to boil, turn the fire down a little bit. And then we will stew 45 minutes to an hour. So that's pretty much how you make it. The noodle part is pretty easy, so you just boil the water and then cook the noodle and then assemble them with the soup. I don't usually like beef that much, but I do enjoy cooking it because most of people like to eat it. So it's a good dish to share with your friends.